Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock a forgotten Android phone lock pin password without losing any of your data. In case you've forgotten your Android phone pin password, I'll show you how to do it without you losing any of your data. So this is not factory reset. And this method currently works in the year 2026. So it's a method that we've tested year 2026, so it works in the year 2026. So in case my previous video none of the solution works for you, kindly watch this video from beginning to the end and also follow all the steps in this video, because if you skip any steps in this video it will not work for you. So guys, before I proceed, let me put up this disclaimer notice that this video is strictly for educational purpose and the video do not in any way support any misuse of the content of this video. It is strictly for people who want to unlock their Android phone forgotten PIN password. So let's get started, guys. So in order for you to unlock your phone, like I said earlier, you need to follow the steps in this video from beginning to the end without skipping any of the steps. So first of all, we're going to put in this PIN password. Put in 5550. So you're going to get this message, incorrect password. Please try again later. So after that, go to your emergency call or emergency SOS in your phone. Here is it. So after this, tap on the dial pad. Here you can see emergency calls only. So you are going to dial some code, which are emergency code. Start with star. So guys, after dialing this code, be sure you've confirmed this code and also make sure it's the exact thing I just typed here, because if you skip any step in this video, this solution will not work for you, and you press send. So it will tell you call failed, the number dialed is not an emergency number. Tap on OK, and when you tap on OK, wait minimum 15 seconds in order for you to proceed to the next step. So while you're waiting minimum 15 seconds, let me point out here that currently this phone is in airplane mode, but it's not compulsory. It works in some phone without airplane mode. So a lot of you guys say that you cannot put your phone in airplane mode where the phone is locked. This phone is currently locked now, and I can toggle it out from airplane mode, and I can also set it on airplane mode even when the phone is off. As you can see, the phone is currently off and it has no fingerprint. There's no way to say impute a fingerprint. So check, in some phone you need to swipe up or down. So check if you can put your phone in airplane mode. If you can, then it's a plus for you, but if you cannot, it also works without the airplane mode. So let's proceed. The next step is for us to impute this pin, which is 0802. Now, depending on the kind of phone you are using, it may lock you out for a particular seconds. In most phones, it's 30 seconds or 60 seconds. So my phone now has locked me out for a period of 30 seconds, and it's telling me to try again after a few seconds. So let's wait for the countdown to complete. So after the countdown, you need to go back to the emergency call section. Go to the emergency call section, go to the dial pad, and you're going to dial this or type this emergency code so that you dial at the end of the day. After typing the code, go back to the beginning of the code you typed and confirm the number you just typed. Confirm the number, because if you skip any step, it will not work for you. And like I said, for this solution to work for you, you need to follow all the steps in this video. Make sure there is no step skipped in this video. So when you are sure you've confirmed the number you typed, go ahead and tap on the dial button. It will tell you call failed. The number dialed is not an emergency number. Tap on OK and exit this environment. Also, in order for your phone not to log you out for inputting a wrong PIN or a wrong password, it's best that you just turn off the screen at least 5 seconds, then tap on it, then turn it on back. So here we are going to put another PIN or password. So you're going to put this 000 into 4 places. So incorrect password, please try again later. So the second to the last step is to go back to the emergency call section or the emergency SOS. Tap on the dial pad. Now quickly dial this code. Quickly type this code to dial *200. Confirm the code you just typed. So I just typed out this code, confirm it, and be sure it's exact code I just typed. Okay, this two is not needed. So once you're done, tap on the dial button here, and it will tell you call failed. The number dialed is not an emergency number. So here you need to wait minimum 20 seconds in order for us to input the PIN that will finally unlock the phone. So guys, while waiting for the required time, and be sure you wait minimum 20 seconds, do well to like the video and also subscribe to the channel in case you've not done so you get notified whenever I drop a new video or another update. So guys, if you've waited minimum 20 seconds, go ahead and dial this code 0 or type in this code 0126. So as you can see, the phone has been unlocked and none of the phone data was touched. All the phone data are intact, including the media files. So you can go ahead and go to the settings of the phone settings. From the settings, go to security and privacy, and you can now change the password to your desired PIN or password or pattern. Thanks guys for watching. Do well to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next one.